Hey, so your card website isn't publishing and you're not sure why? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you the most common reasons your site won't publish and how to fix them step by step. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Publishing can fail if your connection is weak or intermittent. Make sure you're logged into the correct card account. Sometimes publishing fails if your session expired or you're logged into a different account. If you're trying to publish to a custom domain or use advanced features, you need a Card Pro subscription. Free accounts can only publish to a card.co subdomain. If you're using a custom domain, double-check your DNS records. Make sure your CNAME points to card.co and any root domain redirects are set correctly. Sometimes your browser cache or cookies cause publishing issues. Clear your cache, reload card, and try publishing again. Card won't publish if there's a broken element, missing form connection, or invalid field. Go through your site and check for errors highlighted in the editor. If publishing still fails, try a different browser or device. Sometimes browser extensions or outdated versions interfere with publishing. If none of these steps work, reach out to Card Support. Include your account email and site URL. They can check for backend issues and help you publish. After following these steps, try publishing again. Most publishing problems are fixed with these checks. So yeah, that's how you fix a card website that isn't publishing. Check your internet, login, subscription, domain, browser, and site elements. If needed, contact support. Your site should be live in minutes once everything is set correctly.